No good. I stripped the screw. Hello everybody and welcome to day 86 of my Jaguar step restoration project. With the gas tank removed, I can now attempt the rear suspension, so let's get started. Even though it may not be essential for gaining access to the suspension components, I'll start with removing the wheel arch liner. That's 1, 2, 3 10mm hex nuts and lots of Torx 27 screws. Those only connect the liner to the rear bumper. No good. I stripped the screw. Seems I'm halfway through already. It's unbelievable. And here it goes. As you can see, there's an upper bracket welded to the frame and then a lower bracket. One more screw on the inner side, up to one nut at the rear. The one at the top is already missing. Unfortunately, this rotates but doesn't come out, so I need to counter hold somewhere behind, but therefore this heat shield has to come off as well. All the studs are severely rusted. Yeah, of course, it's broken. I try to keep a 90-degree angle, not to twist the stud, because in this case it would break immediately. Number 4 feels the best so far. I should now be able to take down this heat shield. Now I should be able to access the rear side of this bolt. No, I cannot. Taking down the heat shield didn't help at all. There's sheet metal underneath, so let's take a look inside here. A lot of wiring harness here inside, but nothing which looks like a counter nut. Now I can see where the problem is. That's simply a plastic nut, and that's why the nut is spinning on the stud. So all the work was for nothing. I should have looked closely before. Oh, voila, there's one more nut. I hope that's a steel nut. No, it's also a plastic nut, and that's exactly the same story here. Let's place the camera in another way. I had never expected that this crappy tool could be helpful in any sense, but now it is. I may need a new liner anyway now. Voila. believe it or not, even though this will end up in maybe 5 minutes after editing, taking down the wheel well liner now took me over 3 hours. I also tried to disengage the parking brake by applying power directly onto the brake from the trunk. Unfortunately, the battery charger, which I already had used in the very first episode, wasn't the proper tool for this task. But with tension on the cables on both sides, it's impossible to take down the brake calipers. This means I have to take a break and find a solution for this problem. If you nevertheless enjoyed today's video, you may want to give it a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel. See you back next time. Goodbye.